Hi, boys and girls. Today, we have a pretty easy math at your seat. This is just you're coloring the value of whatever number is underlined. So if it's in this side, it's worth 10. If it's on this side, it's worth 1. So if you look at this first one, the 6 is the one that's underlined, which is worth how much? Yeah, it's worth 10. So I do this number right here. Now look at this 6. What side is it on, the 10s or the 1s? Yep, it's on the 1s, so I'm going to circle here. Sorry about that. Okay, let's look at this 9. What side is it on, the 10s or the 1s? Yep, it's on the 1 side, so we're going to fill in the 9. Now let's look at the 3. Is it on the 10s or the 1s? Yep, it's on the 1s. Okay, now look at 78. Is the 8 in the 10s column or the 1s column? Yep, so it's worth 8. Okay, now we have 82 and the 8 is underlined. Is that on the 10s or the 1s? Yeah, it's the 10s. Okay, what about in 91? Is the 9 in the 10s or the 1s column? Good, it's on the 10s column. Good. Okay, 64. Which side is the 4 on? Yep, it's on the 1 side. Very good. 43. Is it on the 10s or the 1s? Yep, the 10s, just like that. And our last one, 58. Is the 5 on the 10s or the 1s? Good, it's on the 10s. So this is good practice because later in the week we're going to be doing expanded form, which means we have to know what the value of each of the digits are to show the number when we make it in expanded form. So, all right, turn it over and do rocket math on the back. Very good.